everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another little haul. This company actually had a deal on because they wasn't going to a craft show somewhere. I can't remember where the craft show was, so they gave us all 15% off so for the weekend. So obviously I had to dive in and go and get some lovely goodies. So let's have a look what we've got. So as you can see, I've went Lavinia crazy yet again. I am really enjoying the Lavinia stamps, and my collection is growing very quickly indeed, which pleases me no end. So I'm going to just share with you what I got. So the first little guy I've spotted here is a little beaver, and his name is Howard. So how cute is he? And then we've got a little fairy called Twilight. Then we've got the dragons, and it's just called Dragon Set. I know they do bigger dragons in this, and I do have the pound dragon as well. So I'm really happy and can't wait to try them. I'm hoping also that they do some dragons facing the opposite way, and I know I could do reverse stamping, but I feel like with silhouettes you definitely lose that reverse stamping, the quality of the ink and stuff like that. It's just nowhere near as dark, so that's why I need to look to see if they've got any dragons facing the opposite way. And then what good is dragons without his Dragonstone Castle? So we've got that. Oops, lost something. Then we've got Rory and Darcy. Now another little fairy, Una. I hope that's how you pronounce the name anyway. Then we've got Willow. I thought this was so nice, and I love willow trees, so I can't believe it's took me this long. To be honest, I don't think I'd ever seen this stamp. I would have done, but it kind of all just got mixed in with everything else, as I'm sure you all know when you're looking. And then we've got a Toad Lodge. I was expecting it to be much bigger than this, to be honest, because the Bumble Lodge I've got is much bigger, and maybe they do different sizes in these. I don't know. I'll have to have a look. And then we've got Zamira. I'm probably most definitely saying her name completely wrong, but this is how it's spelt. How beautiful is she with the lovely flowing hair. And then we've got the Reindeer Large. I just love reindeers and stags at the moment. The last few months I've definitely fallen in love with them for some reason. And then we've got Fox 2 Perry. Now I have had some issue with my foxes that I've had previously, and I'm hoping that this one stamps up much better, because there's only that one stamp I've had issue with. So I don't think it's my stamping, because they'd all be the same. And then we've got Fox 1, which is it Kennel or Colonel? No, Colonel. Then we've got the Swing Bed in medium. And then we've got another stag, and it's Magnus. Oh dear. How gorgeous is he? Like, see so many scenes behind him. Oops, we're all stuck here. And then we've got Afia. Gorgeous mermaid. So getting quite a few sea related images now. Now I've got quite a lot of land ones. And then we've got Surlis. I don't know how you pronounce that, but he's gorgeous, isn't he? And that's his name there, because I just know I'm rubbish at reading. And then we've got Sky. I can read that one. I love this one. It kind of reminds me of the Pan Piper, but it's birds instead of rats. And then we've got Freya, who's lush. And then we've got some Falling Ivy. And again, this one is one of my favourites that I can't believe I've never seen it before. And it's the hanging lanterns. And this was the first time again I saw this one. I think when I've been in the shop, it's just, you get that overwhelmed that you miss up quite a lot of it. And then we've got Liberty, the boat. It doesn't say the boat, but to me it's a boat. And then we've got Mushroom Lantern Single. So I've got them. And then I did get the brand new colour of Lumberjack Plaid in the Distress ink pads. And I just grabbed the stickle that I've lost. So I got 2 stickles, one in Stardust, which I'm sure the camera will not pick up how gorgeous it is. You can just kind of see like the gorgeous golden shimmer with there. And then with this one, it's just sprinkled sugar, which is not glittery at all. So that's it. But what I will do is I'll just do a little swatch of these ink pads for you so you can see the colour. I mean, I know everyone's camera and computer will be different, but just for those who haven't actually seen it, and we'll do the ink as well. Unfortunately, my camera actually ran out of the memory, so I missed the tail end of my video. I didn't realise till I was editing it, but I will show you them swatches that I promised. So this side is the ink and this is the oxide, and you can see the ink is much a deeper colour and this is a much brighter colour. So I did want to share that with you because I said I would. And I'd also like to thank you all for watching, and I would love it if you would please comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Really enjoying the interaction, as I say in all my videos I do, and making some lovely friends on here too, which is fabulous. You can never have too many friends, and especially crafty friends. So without further ado, I'd like to say goodbye, and hopefully I shall catch you in the next video. Bye.